The sixth question of the exercise, as it is very difficult and it is very different. So I will tell you the A part of the sixth question. You will solve the B part, as both are the same. Now sixth A. In it we have given only 7, 6, 9. Multiply this. We have given this, and this. There is the 0. We can put a cross or a 0 here. There is not more difference. Now this and this. Now here is 2, here is 6, and here again this bracket again, and there is 7. Now in this question we don't have the full statement, so we have to solve it by our own self. So you have to understand this question properly. So listen to me very carefully. As I have told you earlier, if we add any digit in 0, it remains same. So if there is a 2, so if we add 2 in 0, then we got the 2. As I told you earlier that if we add any digit in 0, it will be same. So here is 2. So now we have to find out that how we got this 2 here. That what should be the multiplier of 9 so that we got 2 here. We all know the table of 9. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 4, 36. We don't have 2 in the last, so we have to multiply it again. 9 into 5, 40. 9 into 6, 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 8, 72. Now we have this 2 here, but we have to continue. 9 into 9, 81. We don't have any 2. 9 into 10, 90. So in this whole table we have to only add the number 8. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So we write this 8 here. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Only then we get 2 here. Otherwise we don't have any number from which we multiply the 9, and we got 2 here. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. So we have 2 here and 7 is the carry. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. We add this carry digit in it and it becomes 55. We write this 5 here and this 5 again the carry. 8 into 7, 56. Again the carry digit is plus in it and we got, it becomes 61. We write this 61 here. Now here we have 6. Now how can we got 6 here when we have above 5? We can get only by if we add 1 in this 5. So we will put 1 here and 5 plus 1 is become 6, or we can't get 6 from any other digit. So we will add this 1 in this 5 and we got the 6. Now we have to find out that how, from which multiplier we should multiply this multiplier 9. So we got 1 here. We know the table. You can see that there is no 1, no. Here we got the 1. So we write this 9 here. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. So we have 1 here and 8 is the carry. 9 into 6 is 54 and the 8 which is carry is plus in it, and we have 62. We write this 2 here and 6 is the carry. 9 into 7 is equal to 63 and we add 6. We got 69. Now we just add all this. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 plus 6, 15. 6 plus 1, 7. So now we have to solve it like this. I will again tell you this question as it is little bit different from all of the others. I will tell you again in this time. This is Hindi, so you can understand it easily. Like we have given the statement 769. There is no further any digit is given, only 0 is given and 762 is given. We have to fill this all the brackets. Now जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि अगर हम किसी भी डिजिट में 0 प्लस करते हैं तो वो डिजिट सेम होता है। अगर हम 3 + 0 करते तो 3 होता, 4 + 0 करते तो 4 होता, और अगर हम किसी डिजिट में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं जैसे 4 × 0 तो ये 0 हो जाता है। सो अब हमें यहाँ पे 2 गिवन है, तो हम 0 में क्या ऐड करें कि हमें 2 मिले, हम 2 ही ऐड करेंगे। अब हमें ये 2 फाइंड आउट करना है कि हम 9 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें यहाँ पे 2 मिल जाए। सो हमने 9 का टेबल लिखा, 9 के टेबल में हमें ये वैल्यू मिली 8 पे हमें मिला 72, तो हमने 2 को लिखा यहाँ पे और 7 हमारा हो गया कैरी। फिर हमने 8 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, हमें मिला 48, फिर हमने 7 जो हमारा कैरी था उसे प्लस किया, वी हैव गॉट 55। हमने इस 5 को फिर यहाँ राइट किया और 5 फिर कैरी चला गया। फिर हमने 8 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, हमें मिला 56, और हमने फिर 5 को ऐड किया, हमें मिला 61। हमने ये यहाँ लिख दिया 61। अगेन हमें यहाँ पे गिवन था 6। अब हमें नहीं पता कि हम इस ब्रैकेट में क्या फिल करते, तो हमने 5 में प्लस किया 1, हमें 6 मिला। अगर हम 5 में 2 प्लस करते हैं हमें 7 मिलता, 0 प्लस करते हैं हमें 5 ही मिलता, तो हमने 5 में 1 प्लस किया। तो हमें अब ये फाइंड आउट करना था कि ये 1 हम कहाँ से निकाल लें, हम 9 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 1 मिले। तो हमने 9 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 9 से और हमें यहाँ मिल गया 1, और 8 हमारा हो गया कैरी। फिर हमने 9 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 6 से, हमें मिला 54, और हमने इसमें 8 प्लस किया, हमें मिला 62। हमने 2 को लिखा यहाँ, फिर 6 हमारा फिर से कैरी चला गया। फिर हमने 9 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, हमें मिला 63, फिर हमने 6 को उसमें ऐड किया और हमें मिला 69, हमने उसे यहाँ लिखा। फिर हमने उसे प्लस किया, 5 + 1 6, 2 + 1 3, 9 + 6 15 एंड 6 + 1 7। हमने इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से सोल्व किया, और आप सबको 6 का बी पार्ट ऐसे ही सोल्व करना है, और अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आप उससे पूछ सकते हो। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द वाटर कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ टैंक इज 1325 लीटर, फाइंड द टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ सच 74 टैंक्स। वी हैव द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 1 टैंक, so we multiply that value with the 74, so we have got the value of capacity 74 tanks. Again the question number 8, in it we have that a man earns rupees 955 every month. This is about month. How much does he earn in 3 years? We have that a man earns 955 every month. वो मंथली 955 रुपीज अर्न कर रहा है। हमें फाइंड आउट करना है हाउ मच डज ही अर्न इन 3 years. द स्टेटमेंट इज इन मंथ, सो फर्स्टली वी कन्वर्ट दिस 955 into year. 955 every month. How can we convert? We cannot convert it in year. We should convert this year into month. 3 year. There in 1 year there is 12 months. So in 3 years there will be 12 multiplied by 3, 36 months. So now it is easy that we know that in 3 years there is 36 months and a man earn 955 every month. So we just multiply this 955 by 36. Now you can do the multiplication by your own, as I have told you earlier how to do multiply. This will be the statement and these are the value you have to solve it by your own. In the next question, there is a ream of a paper containing 480 sheets. How many sheets of paper in all are there in 175 reams? A ream of paper contains 480 sheets. One ream of paper contains 480 sheets. So we have to find out that how many sheets does 175 ream contain. So we just simply multiply 480 by 175 and we got the answer. Now the 10th question. Question number 10th. A machine manufactures 985 screws in a day. screws. How many screws it will manufacture from the beginning of the year till the end of September? How many screws machine manufacture from beginning of the year till September, and the year is 2015. 2015 is not a leap year, it is a normal year. The leap year is the number which is divide by 4. That if it is 2020, then it will be the leap year. But 2015 is not a leap year; it is a normal year. So now, firstly, we should find out how many days from January to September in the year 2015. There are in each month. In January, we have 31 days. In February, we have 28 days. In March, we have 31 days. In April, we have 30 days. In May, we have 31 days. In June, we have 30 days. In July, we have 31 days. In August, we have again 31 days. In September, we have 30 days. As according to the statement, we have to find out that how many screws machine manufactured from beginning of the year till September. So from January to September in year 2015. So firstly we should add all these days, and we have 273. Now we just simply multiply this 985 by 273, and you do this multiplication by your own. I again repeat that in a machine manufacture screws in a day, in a particular day, in a single day is 985. So we have to find out that how many screws machine manufactured from beginning of the year till September in the year 2015. So we have in January 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days. So we just add all the days, we go to 73, and we should multiply this 985 by this 273, and we have got the answer. And you have to do this multiplication by your own. If you find any difficulty, you can ask.